Tired of trekking to the nether every time you need lava? We're diving into the secrets of creating an infinite lava source right in your Minecraft base. First, the classic cauldron method. You'll need a cauldron, a pointed dripstone, and a lava source above. Craft your cauldron using 7 iron ingots, placing them around the perimeter of the crafting table, leaving the center square empty. Place your cauldron on the ground where you want your lava source to be, then build a structure above it. Any block will work, as long as it can hold the lava and dripstone. Now, carefully place the pointed dripstone hanging directly above the cauldron, leaving 1 block of space in between. This is key for the lava to drip correctly. With your dripstone in place, carefully position a lava source block, like a lava bucket, directly above the dripstone. Make sure the lava drips onto the dripstone. And there you have it. Over time, the lava will slowly drip through the pointed dripstone and fill the cauldron below. Once the cauldron is full, you can scoop out lava with a bucket, and it will automatically refill, giving you an infinite supply. You can scale this up by placing multiple cauldrons and dripstones for faster lava collection. Remember, this process is slow, but incredibly reliable for a sustainable lava source. Happy crafting!